What's up, all you YouTube users? I am bringing a video today on my new board that I got. It's a Girl Mike Capaldi loading deck. I'm pretty psyched about it. Got some stickers, Monster Energy. Really don't know what that is. Bones, Reds, yeah, you get the whole idea. But alright, let's go over here. I got some Rasta Pro Model Thunders highs. I used to ride lows and mids, but decided to just try something new. Then over here, I got my Bones wheels. Turned them inside out. I mean, why ruin the graphic or whatever the heck you want to say it is? But yeah. And then I just got some Super Reds, Super Reds bearings. Oh, sorry if I'm like kind of stuttering because I'm just like really excited that I got this all tonight. Alright, let's go to the front. Grizzly grip tape. It's pretty nice. Got the little grizzly. And then it's just standard black hardware. The green, it's a green deck. Green plies. I think it's about 7. But yeah, I mean, I'm stoked. I've already ridden it in the garage. Oh man, I mean, I'm super psyched. Camera's probably a little shaky, but who really cares? So yeah, there you go. I'll probably bring you some skate videos about it over the spring. Alright, peace out.